What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be replacing my mom's headlights on her 2009 Ford Flex because one of the lights went out. So let me show you guys that real quick. Okay, so that one is out. Oh, I didn't turn them on, did I? Let me turn them on real quick. Oh, and she's gonna be cleaned out too. Are they on? Let's see. See, that one is on, but this one isn't. So let's repair this headlight. I did order the headlights off of Amazon for 20 something bucks. For 20 something bucks. Ford tried me. They told me I owe $360 something just to replace the HIDs. I mean the projector headlights. So I said, nope, let me go on Amazon and get one for cheaper. So let's remove this front bumper. Okay, so this is my first time doing it. So I'm guessing that you got these 10mm right here. Okay, chicken, shut up. And then you have these stupid little things right here. I don't know why Ford did that. So let me try to get this off. Alright, now let's try to take these stupid plastic things off. And I'm going to try to use this thing. Oop. Oop, that's broken. So I'm going to have to do it, like hold it and then like screw it off. We'll try to do that. I'm gonna try to get you a shot of me doing that. So put that in there. Alright, so now let's get to the other side. And let's do it. Whatever kind of car that was. Okay, I took them off camera. So now I wonder if I can just pull it off. I just get to the bolts for the. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so really I just need it right there because now I just need these two bolts right here, that bolt, and this one over here. I'm guessing they're holding the whole headlight assembly in. Same thing on this side. Bolt, 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 bolt. So let's take them off. Oh, this is go easy. I don't have to take anything else off. Okay, one bolt. Two bolts. I think Ford did a terrible job with this. Why would you put bolts behind the bumper? Then you take it to Ford, $300 some just to get one headlight bulb in your car. Maybe I should charge my mom $300 some to fix it. Just kidding. Okay, so let's do this one. It's coming off. And before you pull it off, because you will break this, you have this little piece right here that is like really just holding the headlight in. So let's take this off. Hope that don't fall. There you go. Okay, so got it out. So now let's do some repairs of this headlight. Okay, open this up, and there goes the light. So we're gonna have to take this off, I guess. Do we? You will need a stupid star wrench. Take these off. Why does this have to be so difficult? Whatever happened to just taking the bulb out and then just screwing one back in, screwing the bulb out and then screwing one back in. Where did I put the bulb? You're all welcome. And I might wash it to detail it up and clean it up. So I gotta find out how. There's a wire go right here. Can I use a flathead screwdriver? Ooh, yes you can. Can I? Oh, Duh. You just twist it and then just pop it out. Okay, so yep, this is blown. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get a closer view. This is blown. Try to focus here. Can you see it? But all this is white right here, up in that area. But, so I didn't have to take this off. Stupid of me. All I had to do is twist, pop up, and then like bend this a little bit and get it out. But I'm not gonna put the bulb in yet because I'm gonna have to take this light right here off. So let me get oh no. Where's the box? Okay, where's that box at? Nope. Do this. Oh, right here. Okay, so now let me take the other headlight off real quick and then let's do it all at once so I won't get anything damaged. Believe it or not, this headlight is very heavy. Now I'm going to show you why I like my Trailblazer. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Let's finish this up first. Okay, so what I discovered, like this table is about to fall, is that I didn't have to take this off. See, that's why you go along with it. You just twist and pop that thing up. Move them stupid wires right there. And you pop it up. Look, need 2 hands for it. Okay, so there you have it. This one is a good light, but apparently not anymore. Like, got scratches on it. But I keep this for just in case. Now with the new ones, I can get it out. I'm not gonna touch it with my bare hands now. These are the new ones that came from Amazon. Are the new ones. I'm guessing that it don't matter which ones go where, which one go where and which. So, cool. It's like a ticking time bomb. You have to try to like ease it in there. Plug that thing back up in there. Take my time with this. Alright, so I got one of the bulbs in. But the bad part is this piece right here on the bulb, it broke. That piece right there, that orange piece, it broke, but the light still come on, which is good. So now I gotta be careful to put this one in. Then go from there. Let's put it in and then put this truck back together so we can test out the headlights. So guys, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you like these maintenance style videos, so I don't know what else to say. So thanks for watching. That is how you do a headlight replacement, or my version of how to replace the projector headlamp on a 2009 Ford Flex.